The LG U20 is here, and today I'm doing a video on the iPhone SE 2020 for Straight Talk. So the new iPhone SE is not here at Straight Talk, so if you guys are looking to get a compact iPhone, the iPhone SE 2020 is worth checking out. Alright, so it's available in 64 gigabytes of storage here. So this is what the phone looks like. It's basically an iPhone 8 but with mobile internals. So if you guys know what the iPhone 8 looks like, it's basically the same design and everything else. So you guys have your earpiece, navigation camera, touch ID, power key on the right, volume key on the left, and you also have your sound switcher here. Front and back, you have the camera on the back and the camera flash. I think that is a microphone right here. And then on the back of the iPhone SE 2020, like I said, you have the camera flash, Apple logo, and the iPhone over there. It says product red, but you won't be able to get the other two colors, which are black and white. So the iPhone SE 2020 has gigabit class LTE, 4.7 inch HD Retina display that's 1334 by 750. Camera is 12 megapixels on the back, front facing 7 megapixel. Camera 1080p video on the front, and 4K on the back. Usage time is 13 hours of video. 8 hours of streaming video, and audio playback is 40 hours, 64 gigabytes of storage. Your dimensions for the iPhone SE are 5.45 inches height, 2.65 inches width, and 0.29 inches depth. This is selected blue light and shadow and contour. We put the brains of iPhone 11 Pro in the body of iPhone SE. A13 Bionic is the fastest chip ever in a smartphone, period. So everything feels fluid, whether you are launching apps, playing the latest games, or exploring new ways to work and play with augmented reality. The advanced camera system of A13 Bionic brings in portrait mode, which actually blurs the background to put the focus on the subject, even when you're taking selfies. You do have the options of white, red, and black. The full retail price is $399 for the 64 gigabyte version, but I think if you get it right now, you can get it for $349 currently. It's currently not in stock at this time. Hopefully they'll have it back in stock soon. When you guys see this video, it might be in stock, but hopefully soon they will have it back in stock. Alright. So $349. That's like a special deal going on, so that's pretty cool. For retail price, like I said, $399 for the 64 gigabyte iPhone SE. So special is iPhone SE. Your dimensions, like I said before, 5.45 inches width. 5.45 inches height, 2.65 inches width, and 0.29 inches depth. iPhone SE 2020 weighs 5.22 ounces. Built-in rechargeable battery. Video playback up to 13 hours. Video playback stream 8 hours. Audio playback up to 40 hours. Standby time 10 days. Bands CDMA EVDA Red A. So this is probably usable as in towers here. What's in the box, of course, is iPhone with iOS 13, AirPods with one connector, Lightning to USB, cable USB power adapter, and documentation. So you send it stuff in the box right there, and of course it says plan is required for activation. Coins are not returnable or refundable. Built for iOS 13 and beyond, iPhone SE is made to run the latest feature and even some that haven't been invented yet. So you can use dark mode series shortcuts in the new 30s app now and take advantage of features and security updates. Pins really battery life. The shade must go long. The shade must go long. So iPhone SE about 2 watts up to 13 hours of video on a single charge. Whether you are when you do need to power up, just set it down on a wireless charger or connect to an 18 watt fast charger adapter to go from 0 to up to 50% in 30 minutes. You will have to buy the 18 watt adapter separately. Step control is simple. Slider lets you blur the background as much or as little as you like before or after you take the photo. I'm sure home button. Touch ID lets you securely unlock your iPhone and sign into apps instantly. You can even use it with Apple Pay to grab a coffee, get a yoga app, or shop for sneakers online, all without reaching for your credit card. Portrait lighting. Choose from 6 studio quality effects. Then adjust the lighting intensity to show your subject in the best possible light. So, there you guys have it. The iPhone SE 2020 is now Edge Stay Talk. It's available in 64 gigabytes only. It's available in product red, white, or black. So if you guys are looking to get a compact iPhone, the iPhone SE 2020 is worth checking out. So it's basically an iPhone 8 with new internals. So if you guys enjoy this video, give me a thumbs up if you have a voicemail. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.